switched off on no, it was on run and the light.
David, go get your battery pack.
Oh yeah. Here.
I don't know where my battery is, to be honest.
It's in the front.
Oh yeah, they do look good.
I pop open that piece as well.
Where's your warranty now, buddy?
Don't worry, it's on a piece of paper somewhere. How's it even possible?
Matthew!
Oh, did you leave something on? Did you leave the
Cold
ignition?
weather or what?
Ignition on?
Yeah, cold weather. Mine's 2016. Started just fine.
So weird. What?
Mine's been sitting in the guy's garage for 2 years and it started right up.
Or is this plug in something?
David, where's your extra house?
This is it, bro.
It's on the, yeah.
Is this?
Yeah. No, plug it into this.
Oh, okay.
These fancy LEDs didn't help.
Yeah, they probably burned out the battery when they were left on.
It's so weird though. Like it's never died before, ever.
Huh.
Where do you plug it in?
On the center.
Wait, he has a girlfriend? Who this time? American?
How do you open these up? I'm not used to these like lame Polaris storage compartments.
I like how the newest four-wheeler is already dead.
Same as last time.
Did you turn it on or anything?
Huh?
Do you have to turn that on?
Dude, what if?
Yeah, it's on.
Bro, did you grab like your work
Nah.
stuff just in case something happens? You have to wait all
I
day?
have a
99% battery.
I was gonna bring my iPad so someone can watch a movie if they break down, but
I have my computer. I got it with me just in case.
Plugged in.
Not the battery. It's someone else on the four-wheeler.
check the connection.
No, but what if your battery is so dead? You know, sometimes the batteries get so dead.
So dead that they just die.
I mean, but how? Overnight?
Maybe the winch.
Maybe the winch was drawing power. Under load, it was drawing power.
It was under load the whole time.
No, it's not. It's loose right now.
I know, but it wasn't under
But it
load.
was under
It
load.
got loose because it's drawing power.
And now it's loose because it lost
That
power.
doesn't make any sense. You can't pull. I mean, I
Do
guess
we have
one
jumper
word
cables
for
or
Maybe try to jump.
Polaris.
Do we have jumper cables?
No.
Yo, just push start it.
Yeah, push start it.
Yeah.
Wait, it's not a manual.
Do
See?
you don't have like an override? Because sometimes it doesn't.
No,
like,
that's
do
the
it.
way you turn it on. I
Yeah,
used
can
it. I
ride my
used it
dirt
yesterday
bike,
on a
but you have to
vehicle.
take the battery off of that four-wheeler.
No, if it's not nothing, because when room starter went out, it still turned on. And
Yeah.
then when we changed the battery, it still turned on, but it didn't. It
So,
just
no, it's
clicked.
not my starter.
Why not?
I'm saying it's not.
What if
Yeah,
it's so
Nothing's
dead?
working.
it's not. I don't think it's the
that's
battery.
Right. Starter, the dash would still light up if the starter was broken. At least like flicker.
They gotta have something here that they can help me with.
Probably get a new battery,
What do you
maybe.
mean?
Because they have a whole shop here that they
Yeah,
rent
but
out.
they have like.
But they only do
pizza
rentals.
and spark plugs.
No. Well, if they rent out quads, they have to have like a shop for the quads.
Yeah,
Not-
I don't.
Probably batteries and stuff like
Not a
that.
service department. It's just a cell.
Did Victor come?
No.
No.
You didn't want to rent it, what? I thought
No, he
Victor
said he was.
renting.
He said he wasn't feeling good. Bro, this sucks.
All right,
so
well, let's
much.
go, boys. Let's go. Woo woo.
That's why you always buy used. Used, you know, it's broken into a little
Yeah,
bit.
it's broken in. Yeah.
Where new stuff, it just goes bad.
That sucks.
Mine's leaking coolant
Is it?
because I overfilled it.
Oh, you have coolant?
I overfilled mine.
Do you have any with you?
I brought two bottles of 2 gallons of water.
Oh,
If someone needs coolant.
damn, bro.
Sounds like something's off. It can't just be a battery this dead.
I mean, when was the last time you rode it?
Right before you picked it up.
Oh yeah.
That's exactly what happened
Put
with
it in the
Rubens,
middle. I'm
too.
gonna lock the middle.
The night before it worked.
Yep.
Next day starter was out.
It died.
We don't have jumper cables, huh?
No.
I mean, well, if that battery pack is not doing it, jumpers ain't gonna do it either.
You think so?
I mean, those battery packs I've started.
They are, yeah.
I've started V12, V10 diesels with.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I don't know what else to try. What do you suggest?
Let me call that.
Maybe call the dealer and have him come out here or something.
Yeah, they're not gonna do that.
The warranty is only active when you bring it into the shop, right?
What do you mean?
Like,
Well, if I want anything, then I gotta bring it to them, yeah.
Andre, you're just gonna roll off your ATV, right?
Huh?
Just go full speed, roll it off. Just make sure it's in all-wheel drive mode.
Hello?
Put on your wristband.
Maybe call warranty support.
Who are you calling?
Geek Squad?
Geek Squad.
David, you realize you still have sand in the water from your flip days?
Hey,
You just literally took it to dad
hey,
and just like,
this is Polaris warranty support. Oh, it's broken down. Oh yeah, we
oh
know.
yeah, just bring it to us.
Bring it to us.
We'll fix it for you.
We got 15 in line.
Oh, you want to ride this Saturday? It's gonna be in 2 months.
All right. You want it ready for Saturday? Which one? Next year?
Next
Okay.
year?
Yeah, we can put you in.
Go there. Let's bring it over here just a little bit. 3, 2, 4. 3, 2, 4.
Says they're not open yet. How's that possible?
Oh, damn.
I only sprayed one of yours. Spray the other one. You want to flick it?
Dude, are you sure this is my key? What if this is his key?
I don't have it.
Well, Dave, prove it. Where's your key?
Well, what does the tag say?
Oh no, it's mine. Yeah, it's my key.
Huh?
Never mind, it's my
Good
key.
thing Tim has a 2-stroke. You have to wait for him to mix.
Oh,
his
mine
gas.
started.
Whoa! Whoa!
You want to drive up there and check if they have batteries?
Mine started.
Or can I drive up there?
Don't flip it.
There's no electronic. What do you mean for? Telling you.
You can't park there.
You can't park there, sir.
Oh, I love that guy.
I'll tell you what's wrong with it.
Can you shake these? Because they kind of look loose. Just move it around.
Oh, yeah, they're loose.
Yeah, they look a little loose.
Oh, they actually are loose.
Yeah.
Well, I got a screwdriver.
But there is no.
No,
like,
but it's not doing anything. So.
I know, but let me tighten it up.
Damn, that sucks.
Yo, you want a screwdriver?
Yeah.
Kawasaki.
You doing no game.
What's your EP?
No, here. It's a plus.
Roman, could you grab one of the straps?
Anybody need grease your machines up? I got some grease.
Huh?
Need grease?
Maybe Roman needs some grease on his terminals. Or his fuse
You
box.
need that grease after you leave the dealer. Oh, you got warranty dying.
What are you doing?
Take it off, put it back on.
Tim, let's
Reset the
figure out how to
ECM?
get yours off.
So what, this? Oh, there's a plastic cover. I was gonna say mud gets up in here.
Your
Your
cooler's the
Polaris
wrong
jack.
color, bro. Can-Am uses
do I
red.
just put?
No,
do
I
I
think
just
it's the
put?
fact that he got a Polaris, bro. Yo, Victor's getting the Polaris?
Oh,
You wanna call him? Tell him to cancel?
be like, yo, cancel that thing right now. Go to
Cancel,
Can-Am.
dude, Can-Am, baby. But you already hit something, bro.
Yeah, I did.
Go,
You
go.
did?
Nuh-uh. Dude, look at the gaps, panel
Yeah,
gaps.
well, you just pull this back. I mean, you made it worse on that.
Yeah, you can just pull it back and it'll come pop out.
Maybe that's why it's not starting. He hit something.
Maybe it's in gear. What do you mean? It won't start if it's in gear.
But we gotta roll,
Yeah,
guys.
alright, давай.
Ruben, come on, we gotta roll.
Huh?
Ruben.
Well, let's get the Tim's out. Yo, pop it into neutral. Pop it into neutral to get yours out of the way for Tim.
Hold on, don't close it. You gotta put the plastic back in.
No, just wait. Pop it in neutral. Yo, Tim, get yours out. Get yours out.
You want me to grab the toolkit if we get it started? Like, just in the matter?
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm not grabbing my toolkit. I don't have any room. Why don't you start, maybe the starter wire, battery wire. Look at the wiring. The wiring. Maybe a loose connection. Check the connections everywhere. You know what's usually, what am I gonna say? Oh, the plastics. Like my Can-Am, plastic come off super easy. I can see everything. I wonder if Polaris is like that. Probably not.
I think it takes too long.
When I
Check
turned it
the
off, did all his
connections. You're
stuff turn
not
on?
doing anything. You're doing the same thing over and over again. It's not gonna
No,
fix it.
I'm changing the keys. Yeah, I did. I pulled the fuse case off.
Okay, but trace wires. It's obviously take wires.
But it's got to be something super simple. Like. It just turned on.
Oh
Dude, it's
shit. What the?
Did you find anything?
Hey, that's hilarious. I don't know what it is.
What the
No,
heck?
I was just moving stuff around.
Well, I hope it doesn't break down like that on the trail.
We have a thing we can pull it back.
Hold on, cover this back up.
Just not
Make
gonna.
sure everything's nice and sealed.
We just can't do water.
Dang, it runs now.
No idea. Huh?
Battery looks good.
Where's the
Right here.
No idea.
I can't answer for it.
Are you guys doing something to it?
No, there's your problem.
Huh?
I think it's because of this clip. That's why it wasn't started.
And this
I think
one's
the
not locking
plastic-
in.
Yeah, this one wasn't
No,
locking.
bro.
It's supposed to go in this
do you
way
mean?
first.
Oh.
No, bro, we gotta tell her.
Oh, here's the problem.
Wait.
It's written on the side.
Ah, hilarious.
All your wings.
We gotta tell her, bro.
Yeah, we unplugged your
You're lying.
We unplugged your ignition.
We were all on it. We unplugged it last night, bro.
No, you didn't.
I plugged it in, came here.
Where?
Yeah, we plugged it in, went after you.
That's why,
Came
yo.
back, and he quickly unplugged it again.
Over there where I was telling you I was messing with the button screw and unplugged it again. Get Frank!